And let go. Again. Again. 2 more. Last one. Good. That was a good one. Let me know, okay? Let me have the arm. Just relax. Pressure's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want you to just kind of pull on my arm a few times. Go ahead and pull. And let go. Again. And let go. Again. 2 more. And last one. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and come on up for me. And back. 2 more. 2 more again. 1 more. Perfect. Let's have the arm here. I want you to just straighten it out like that, okay? You ready?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead. And down. And down. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. You all right?
Uh-huh.
Good. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the subscap area. Just kind of, yeah, I'm just gonna start here and then you're gonna go up. Just hold down for me right there. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go up and down. Again. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. You all right?
Uh-huh.
Good. Okay. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. You all right?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Just kind of relax for me. Let me know if any pain, okay? No pain, right? You okay?
Yeah, good.
Perfect. Just go ahead and relax the arm. Go ahead and pull. And let go. Again. Again. Last one. Perfect. Go ahead and come up. And down. And down. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. You're just gonna come up straight. And down. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. And down. Again. 2 more. Last one. Perfect. All right, bring the arm up for me, Michael. Let me get it right there. Go ahead. Again. Again. 2 more. Last one. You okay?
Yep.
Good. Go ahead and cup the neck. Just relax right there for me. Good. That was a good one. Let's go here. Relax, relax. Good. Go ahead and move a little bit, see how you feel. You okay?
Yeah, good.
Perfect.